the forest with her friends. Guarding the Amazon is a cry used for help. Kir and Val, everybody say it now. Come with us, come on little Taina. Come with us, come play with us, Taina. Come with us, come join the fun, Taina. Come with us, let's save the day, Taina. Taina.
Oh, what is that noise? Huh?
Where's Katu?
Katu!
Oh, my bananas. This coconut is so hard. Jeez, what's that face, Taina? Haven't you been sleeping well?
Huh?
Oh, the crew, Taina. Listen.
Go, Blue Arrow! Show me who needs help! Kirimbo!
A short beak that is shaped like pliers.
I've got it! It's Mrs. Macaw! Let's go, guys! It's time to save the forest! Go, Blue Arrow! Show us the way! Aha! Guardians of the Amazon, Kir and Val! Yippee!
Yay!
Now I gotcha.
Nice and smooth.
Another amazing landing, huh, Pepe? Hi, Mrs. Macaw.
It's good to see you, Taina. I called you because I can't sleep. In fact, I can't do anything because this infernal noise won't stop.
Hi, Mr. Woodpecker. Hey! Hey, Mr. Woodpecker! Ow, 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 ow! Stop it!
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't hear you.
Mr. Woodpecker, why all the noise?
You may call me Peterangelo, and I'm working on another masterpiece by the moonlight called The Sleepy Macaw.
I know. Mr. Peterangelo, I've got a much prettier model for you. Me, of course.
Mr. Woodpecker, you silly little woodpecker. This is not the time for banging.
Inspiration has no fixed schedule.
Oh, is that so? I'll show you some inspiration then.
Easy now, Mrs. Macaw. Calm down. We won't solve anything by using violence.
Stop it. No one touches my sculptor.
I can see that my art is not appreciated here.
No, it's not that. It's just that it's a little late for sculpting, don't you think?
Definitely not! This is the best time for sculpting. In the morning, I, the genius artist, sleep.
Well, guys, our job is done here. Let's get back home to bed and back to sleep.
Huh?
Huh? I want to sleep.
Well, we must do something, or else Peterangelo won't let anyone sleep.
And he didn't even make my sculpture yet.
Let's put a stop to this once and for all.
Up.
Where in the world is that noisy woodpecker?
Whoop, whoop. I can't believe it.
Hey, my beak is not that big.
Yeah, and I don't look like that.
I always knew that I was a piece of art.
But Katsu, you look so weird there.
Poetic license, my dear. You don't get it.
Oh no, the sun is rising.
I'm so tired. Wait a second. What is it that Peterangelo told us before? That in the morning he would what?
In the morning, the genius artist would sleep. He's so stuck up.
That's it, it's morning already. I have an idea.
Nothing like a good nap after creating so much art. What? Hey!
Oh, hey there, Mr. Peterangelo. I didn't notice you. Can you believe it? This is just the perfect tree for target practice.
But this... I'll find another tree. What?
Good morning, Mr. Peterangelo. Nothing like the sound of a sama on a drum to make mornings more cheerful, right?
Can't you see that?
Mr. Peterangelo! I'd like you to know that I'm a big fan of yours. Can I have your autograph? Hey, come back here, Mr. Peter! Oh, Peter! Oh, Fred! Mr.
I'd like to see
Peter!
someone try to find me now. Yikes!
Oopsie, sorry.
Enough! Enough!
Poor you. It's not nice when you want to sleep but you can't, right, Mr. Peterangelo?
No one in this forest cares about art.
No, we like your art.
We love it!
But you can't be creating your artwork during the night. You must respect the other animals.
But...
What if you made your sculptures during the day? That way you won't disturb anybody's sleep.
And what's more, we can watch you while you sculpt.
I think that might work.
Wow, you outdid yourself with this one.
Thank you, thank you. I call this one the Nap of the Protectors of the Amazon.
Some people sleep in the daytime. Some people sleep at night. Some people wake up early. And some won't sleep because of other people's noise. Some people sleep in the daytime.
Is that so, Peterangelo?
Some people sleep at night.
This is macaw.
Some people wake up early.
Good morning,
And
Katu.
some won't sleep because of other people's noise. When you need a rest and you cannot sleep, it is not the best.
There comes a time when I must rest to renew my energy so that I can be my best.
I have an idea!
Some people sleep in the daytime. Some people sleep at night. Some people wake up early. And some won't sleep because of other people's noise.
My bad, guys.